ready for...
No, Jack and Selfie. It's the only new graphics card. Oh, it's alive already? You have to tell me. I wasn't prepared.
No, I film you without your own consent.
That's illegal. So I guess I have to let the people know on Discord. Right?
This is going to be really exciting. If you've seen Cary's videos on his channel called Cary KH, you know that his machine learning is completely stunted. He can only run he can only run the library on his CPU, which makes it so that he is completely hobbled in his machine learning progress. But soon, that's not going to be the case. Check out this trash can. It's got something really good that is going to make the machine learning get super smart really fast. Let's get started.
Oh, maybe they posted it in... No, they didn't. On the H217.
Hey, how are you doing, Pikachu Gaming and Jalen Ireland? You know, I didn't even consider this, but this is going to be an unboxing video.
Yay!
Because of this investment that I made. Hey Starlight, I'm glad that you're bubble. I'm going to say your name just commenting. How's my day? It's been pretty good. I picked up this graphics card just a few hours ago. We went out to have lunch, and now we're back. And we're in business now. Hey, Awesome Gamers TV. That's a name I'm gonna remember.
These people are gonna be so disappointed. Oh, my hair looks weird. I don't like it.
How has your day been going?
Oh, here's a video that says congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm not, yeah, she says also your hair looks fine, so like it must be live. But I don't know what the congratulations are for.
Wow.
I bet she's gonna respond here.
Here it is.
Wait, am I allowed to show this? I probably shouldn't. That's... Oh, she says congratulations on the GPU, of course.
Yeah. This is the third time I've been trying to install a GPU in Cary's computer.
Computer?
Yeah, in this computer. The last two times, I would put it in, like, completely, and it would all work. The fan would start, the noise would all begin. But then it would beep once long, then 3 times short. Even upgrading the power supply, even with a different GPU, the same result. So that's why we're gonna completely rip out the backbone of the computer and replace it. The motherboard's changing now. So it's a little bit more drastic. How are you doing? Guess That Goal Studio.
Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
What connection are you using?
I'm using EduRoam.
Okay, so this isn't taking our data, right?
Right.
Yee.
Oh, that's a cool meme.
Yeah.
Bum 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 bum. Yee.
I can't remember the melody. Bum 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 bum. Yee.
I can assure you that both Cary and I are extremely cool, and we're always caught up on the latest memes.
People who say that aren't cool. Hey guys, notice me. I don't know what I should talk about.
Oh, we can respond to comments.
Comments are just like, notice me. Your mom farted. Like, low quality comments that aren't worth responding to.
I think every comment is worth responding to, Cary. How could you be so inconsiderate?
Oh, this is a good shot because you can't see my lips moving. Isn't it nice?
Oh, whoa.
Oh, you
That's
saw that.
some lazy animating there.
Magic trick. Yeah, I'm super easy to animate right now. Look at that. Look. My entire face is not moving. This takes essentially no animation at all.
Low budget.
Yeah, low budget, real life. Ooh, now it's high budget, high budget. Oh, la, 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 la. Okay, let's look at a question. I'll answer questions right now.
You
I
know,
guess.
it's not a good idea to open a computer on top of a bed because it's going to build up static electricity, but I'm doing it anyway.
Michael, is it actually bad?
I mean, we're on carpet right now, so they're really...
Well, I can clear off that desk.
You know what? No, actually, no, I think there's no danger here.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as I maintain direct contact with the metal, I think it should be okay. Like the last few times I did it on the bed as well.
Oh, okay.
I do a lot of stuff on the bed, by the way.
Well, I'm still gonna like clear stuff up. Also, should I put the subscriber counter back up?
Oh, that would be really cool. Yeah, I don't know if you know this, but I bought a mount to put the iPad. Do you have an iPad? If you have an iPad, put the word iPad, but instead of an A, put an E. Put that in the comments. If you have an iPad, write iPad in the comments, but replace the A with an E. I bought a mount for an iPad to put it on the wall, and so we can open up a web page that's a live subscriber counter. And this is Cary's bed right here. So that means whenever he's asleep in bed, he can be like, "Huh!" and just
turn it off at night though.
see the subscriber count at any time of the day.
I think it's gonna go down. You're gonna see it go down because it always goes down during live streams.
It goes down during live streams. If you're watching this and you stay subscribed, you're one of the special people.
There we go.
And I'm very
you
thankful
can't see
for
it. You
that.
have to rotate the camera.
Yeah, I was going to rotate it in this direction anyway, because that's where the desk is.
See, it went down. Maybe we should switch it to Cary KH. Oh, it went down again. No, I'm not complaining.
We're separating the wheat from the chaff.
Well, I mean, like with the future projects that are coming, we want to like gain people regardless of how devoted they are.
Yeah, if you stay subscribed, I think you are the best fan.
I was just trying to think, what can I show off like in the room that people would be interested in?
Your butt.
But like all of the cool stuff is at home, like the old storyboards. I don't know, pillows.
Oh, you have your YouTube pillow. You can show that.
People have already seen it. It's really far away though. Like, how am I gonna get that?
Oh, I can try to get it.
No, be careful.
No, I can't get it.
I was gonna say like, oh, I should play my violin.
Oh, I know.
I already played my violin.
This. You can use this.
Oh, yeah. Be careful.
Per tuple. Is that what you said? Did you say per tuple?
No, fling it from the bottom.
Your case that you don't use is in the way.
I can pull it. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
I heard
The air freshener. Air freshener.
Oh, air freshener.
This fell off.
I bought that for Cary. I put it in his room without his consent.
Because I'm very smelly. Ooh, that's strong. I shouldn't have sniffed it up close.
It's like half its diameter that it used to be.
Oh.
Do you know that it shrinks? It's a solid air freshener.
Oh,
but
interesting. How does it, like, actively remove its own mass?
That's a good
Does
question.
it sublimate? Look, I'm in YouTube Rewind. And then, like, explosions happen, right?
Oh, I've never watched a YouTube Rewind.
Really?
I watched like one like in 2011.
That one was the bad one with Rebecca Black.
Oh. 7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal. You're not joining in. You're not very unsupportive.
Oh,
person.
sorry. I gotta get down to the,
The
bus stop.
Gotta
And
catch
my friends.
eyes.
Which seat? Oh.
Sitting in the
Front seat. It's sitting in the back
There's a
seat.
different verb though.
Kicking. It's
Kicking.
kicking. Kicking in the back seat.
I see my
Which
friend.
seat?
Oh.
That was the line before.
Okay.
If you know the lyrics to Friday,
Then,
post them in the comments.
then you need to reevaluate your life.
Yeah, reevaluate it to see how right it went. Also, the stuff is screwed in. So, but it's like standard, not Phillips head. So, oh, I know. Sean has a broken charger that I use as a screw.
Are you sure this is going to work? I mean, like, I guess I'm not sure it's going to work, but, like,
That's gonna work.
you're not going to break anything.
I know I'm not gonna break anything, but what I don't know is whether it's gonna do the same beeping thing again.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? I've been neglecting you guys. How much was the computer mod? I haven't been keeping track.
He said 850 or something like that.
Right.
Deshaun.
Thanks, Cary.
You're welcome.
Now our secrets are revealed. Hey, do you have a SATA a connector inside your computer? If you do, write SATA. Are SATA connectors difficult to remove for you? If so, say yes in the comments.
I don't think many people will be able to relate.
If they're really difficult, put an emoji that has the color red and write it only an odd number of times, but it has to be the same emoji repeated. Okay, maybe you can like read the comments on your phone,
Oh,
just like as they scroll by.
why can't I read them on your phone?
Well, because it's up there.
I'm not sure how to.
It's just like watching a YouTube video.
Okay. Oh, I have 4,382 notifications on
Oh.
YouTube.
I think you need more. Hey, if you know how to remove a SATA connector other than pinching the squishy part.
Wait, I'm watching my own self.
Hey, Foxy Chew.
Oh, shoot.
Do it full screen.
Oh, I should do it full screen. I know.
Have you ever watched yourself on a screen?
Oh, there we go. Now it's gonna be better.
The lighting is super good.
There.
Whoa.
It's getting whiter and whiter. I'll pull it away. Let's bring it back in.
I'm still trying to remove the same connectors. It's a CD drive and it's a hard drive.
Look how many iPhones I own.
I'm squeezing.
That's like 4 iPhones.
Oh, you got so many.
Yeah, 4 iPhones.
Hazel Cricket ruined it.
Wow, thanks, Hazel. Still trying to remove the same connector. You know, these connectors, these SATA connectors, are only, the standard only says they can be removed 80 times.
Oh, do they like get physically ruined?
Yeah, because they're like physically moving. Trying to remove them. Alright, let's move on to something else first.
Well, I guess like we talked about before, if this does prove to be too difficult, we
It's
can.
not difficult though.
Okay.
Hey, do you have any memories? If you do, please write the word memory in a comment box that is not on this video and hit enter and submit the comment. But it can't be this video and it can't be a video on our channel.
Oh, now I got the live chat.
Oh, it took a while to get the live chat?
No, it didn't.
It's just I didn't try hard enough to find it.
Oh, you didn't find it.
Let's see which phone is faster to get the comments.
Let's see which phone is faster to get the
And mine is actually showing more comments. I think
You can actually see multiple on this
I
one.
wonder how our moderators are doing.
I don't think we have any moderators.
Like, I appointed a ton of moderators, like people from Wow.
Oh,
Like, Crafty is a mod.
I bet they're not.
Are you a mod? If you're a mod, then smile for the camera.
There is no camera.
Welcome to day 1187
27.
of our video diary. Today, we'll be eating all the gumdrops we've collected over the years. What comes after that? That's right. That's right.
No, I don't think so. Something like that.
I don't even remember. We don't remember our own episode. Can you reenact in the comments,
I think
please?
Pencil says something like, "Wait, hold on," and then that's when.
That's right.
And she says, "Wait, hold on," and then she goes to the camera.
Ruby!
Yeah.
You forgot to remove the lens cap this time. How can I trust you
To be my camera person.
be my camera gem
Camera job.
when you forget simple things like this?
I'm sorry.
And that's when
pretty much
Pencil
like-
starts to incinerate her and like turn her into liquid.
Do you have a favorite BFDI?